What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. So today I got me another Anker Soundcore wireless headset. This one right here is their top of the line version of the headset. And so if you're watching this, you know there are a lot of expectation out of this headset, especially for me. I am expecting this thing to beat out the Sonys, the Bose out there. All right. Anyway, let's unbox this. Take a look. Let's do it. So like I was saying earlier, a lot of expectation out of this one since it is the high-end Anker version of all of their headset. I've actually just done a recent video on, where's the other one? Oh, there we go. I did a live Q20, which is the more affordable version of their headset. So anyway, this is on the other spectrum, which is the high end. What we're gonna do today is, obviously we're gonna unbox this, take a look at what's inside, play with it for a little bit. But what I wanna do is, I wanna actually test it out, let you guys hear exactly how this headset sounds. All right, so we're gonna test out the noise cancellation. We're gonna test out how great the bass is, because obviously, when you're buying a headset like this, you want some good sound. And I know that, you know, for me at least, I actually like bass in my headset. So anyway, let's go ahead and do it. Oh, nice box. Actually kind of look like my Bose Q45 right here. It's kind of interesting how, you know, Anker name Q45, just so that, you know, in my mind, when I hear the Q45, I'm thinking about the Bose Q45. Great marketing strategy right there, Anker. I want to give you that, all right? Okay, nice little headset. You know, this thing actually looks a bit bigger than in pictures. You know how you look at all those pictures on Amazon and you're thinking to yourself, oh, okay, it looks good on that guy, but then this actually looks pretty big. The one thing I was worried about was that, so on the Q20, the ear cup is a bit small, and so my ears, you know how it is, it doesn't go all around it, right? So I think this is gonna fit just fine. Yeah, the ear cups, plenty of room there for big ears like me. I actually do like the design on this. When I saw this on Amazon, I was thinking to myself, wow, that's actually a very unique design. It looks good. And they're using that same tech. Yeah, it looks fantastic. But at the same time, it folds in two ways. It folds in this way, like, you know, how the Beats fold in. But then at the same time, you can twist it this way to make it more flat. It's kind of hard to find headphones like that these days, where it folds in this way. I like the fact that they're not going with the whole, you know, touch thingamajig that some of the newer headphones going these days. I mean, everything is a physical button, which is what I like. Even the volume button over here, pause and play button. I also do like the fact that it's USB-C, which, let's take a look at that real quick. Yeah, so you got yourself USB-C cords here and 3.5 millimeter in the box right there. Obviously, you can remove this. Got some nice candies for you. I'm afraid I'm gonna break this when I do this right here. This is not the most like flexible headphones that I have tested. Even the Q20 that I was using, it can bend a little bit more without feeling like I'm gonna break it. So it goes out pretty far. I mean, my head's pretty big. So. Oh, that feels good. And like I mentioned earlier, the ear cups is a good size for people like me with big earlobes. Still got some room with my big head. Still got some room for me to move it around to tighten it up. It's nice. By the way, this thing is not even on, and already, as soon as I put it on, like, I got computer running back here, I got lights going, and those fan keeps running, right? And I can definitely isolate the sound very well. Okay, so I know you guys are dying for this next part of the video. So what I'm gonna do is I have this headphones on, so let me just go ahead and turn that on. This is kind of like a 3D recording headphones. I'm gonna go ahead and use it on this headphone right here, and then let you guys listen to it. Turn on noise cancellation, all that good stuff. So it should be exactly how I would hear it in my ears through your speakers or headphones that you're wearing. Recommending you wear headphones. So this is noise canceling. It's kind of quiet in here, so honestly, you're not gonna hear a difference.
Transparency.
And here's transparency. You can probably hear some of the fans and the ambience noise around here.
Normal.
This is normal, where literally it's not letting sound in. It's just as if you were wearing headphones. Okay, so next up, what I want to do is I want to turn on some airplane sound, white noise, like simulating like I would be on an airplane. And let's see how this works, okay? Okay, so right now what you're listening to is I'm in a airplane. Yep. Enjoying the food that's on the airplane. As you can hear. The captain might come on the speaker and speak, but we're gonna go ahead and put this headphone on. I don't know what mode this is. Let me see.
Transparency.
Okay, so now we're on transparency mode. The flight attendant is talking to me, asking what kind of drink I want to drink. And now I'm done with her.
Normal.
Normal, this is no noise cancellation, so let's skip this one.
Noise canceling.
This is noise canceling right here. If I didn't want any music or anything like that, I'm not watching a movie. Now let's see if I take off my headphones. Let's see what it sounds like. Okay, put it back on with noise canceling. Okay. So let's say if I want to play some music. So that's half volume. Right? It sounds great to me. Like, pretty cool. The audio sounds really good to me. So that's half volume. Let's go full blast. So that sounds really good, by the way. Full blast. Airplane noise is still going in the background, pretty loud back there. Let's listen to some more music. Wow. I have to say that sound fantastic. First, let me turn off the airplane here. But wow, that sounds fantastic. You can definitely tell, and even with me wearing these headphones plugged into my ears, I can definitely tell the sound is a lot more cleaner. than something like, let's say, a Q20 that I just tested. And so definitely can tell the difference there. The audio quality is a lot better, and obviously that's the reason why they say like high-res audio on wireless. You know, I've never really cared about those things, to be honest with you, because it's all on preference. As soon as you put the headphones on, if you like it or not, those labels means nothing. But I believe that's what they're talking about right there, where it's a little bit cleaner. On here, it doesn't really say like high-res audio on wireless at all. It does say high-res audio, but not on wireless. So I'm not sure what all that means. I just know that this thing sounds better than the Q20 that I just tested over there. It's hard for me to sit here and tell you that the Q45 is worth the money over, you know, a more affordable one, but you just heard it right there. So there you go, guys. That's my initial review of this Anker Q45. I hope you guys find something useful out of this video. I try to do as much tests as possible so that you guys can make a informed decision. But that's it right there. I'm gonna see you in the next episode. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Say hi to the flight attendants for me, okay?